Hi friend, in this video I want to show you how to remove text from photo and Photoshop so that in photo you can click it duplicate, then select rectangle market tool, then select your text, then press shift and select another option. Mouse select is complete where I remove that text from the photo. And now we go select tab, then choose color range. Here you select highlight, then OK. Again go to select, then modify, then expand. In expand you choose here 5, then OK. Now you go edit, then fill, click here, then content add, press OK. Now press Ctrl plus D. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.